Of this train is Life Pharmacy. The next
GITEX 2025, day 1.
Gerçekten var ya, Türkiye'ye gelip erik dal oynadığı bir şey. Bak seni yemen o videoyu göreceğim galiba.
Safety is at the core of every training session. An autonomous training vehicle is
For beginners basically, or for professionals.
Focus maximum up to 4 active participants in the meeting.
4 active participants.
Maximum 4.
Directly do a video consultation. They want you to take like hit some of that. We have start function. Yeah, but need to be classified.
AI agent.
We provide AI.
So this will be basically kind of ATS, you can say that?
Yeah, it is an ATS.
ATS with AI, you can say.
Yeah, so this is the ATS, this is the applicant. Here, this is the stages for the hiring process. Okay, each company, they have their own hiring process, their own stages. Here we have the special matching percentage and the matching score. Special matching, for example, some
I got your point, your criteria,
yeah,
who's matching your criteria,
age,
qualification,
education,
experience.
user experience. The other one is the AI matching. Basically, we have the job description and the CVs, and it matches the best candidate for this.
In three questions, you can decide the person is the best match or not.
Yeah, so basically the AI will generate the questions based
Okay.
on the job description and the technical skills we're looking for.
Okay.
This is the question. It's a video interview.
Okay.
This is the candidate answer. It will be transferred as a text. This is our target answer. And this is the matching justification based on the answer, which will give you an answer score for each question.
Yeah.
And this is the overall score. Match your criteria or no.
Fine.
Then top 3 role related strengths, behavioral flags, recommended functions, any leadership assessment report. Also we have, for current employee, we can do individual development plan.
This is Logicom counter. We have made the camera and it will generate the prompt by itself. You just have to take the photograph. It will do the rest of the work by itself. No need to write, no need to copy prompt somewhere. Just a selfie and it will do the job by itself. Still, yeah. Noise channel is writing the prompt by itself. No need to copy, no need to paste, no need to write all by yourself. Everything is done by AI. Everything. Yes, collaboration team. Here's the photograph and here's the result. Enter world first robocar. No steering. All by AI.
Okay, it's with some AI function. Here is the camera. If he saw some situation, need help, you just press here. Press here, SOS.
Okay.
So your your company will send some guys to help this guy.
Even if there is no network over there?
Need a network.
Need a network?
Yeah, need a network. Yeah, you can insert the same card here.
Same, okay,
Or
okay.
wireless.
Wireless, okay.
Yeah, we can connect through the wireless.
Okay.
If no signal, we also provide the satellite signal connection solution.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
yes.
do it have a recording as well?
Recording, yeah, we have, yeah, here's the SD
card.
Yeah, you can use it.
I want to watch what he's doing.
Yeah, you can through our platform.
Platform,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. In our platform, you can see every guy, what's the situation
What they are doing, what they are watching.
Yeah, what they do. If they have also in some scenario they smoke, they just, for example, smoke there, we are give alarm.
Without the brain part. And this is now the kind of that combination between the brain and the hands and feet of it.
including innovations in holograms and digital avatars. Would you like to learn more?
أنا غودفري الروبوت الذكي من شركة ZTE. يسعدني جدا أن أرحب بكم هنا في جايتكس 2025.
Actually leverage your smartphone camera and do all the screenings without any devices.
With our own smartphone?
Any smartphone, any tablets that you want.
What exactly needed? Only the app?
No app, it's a QR code. So you can run on your browser, you can WhatsApp. Like for example, this is if you're working with STC, that you can have on My STC app, My Salas app. People can do it and you can integrate it.
And what it can shows?
So you want to do a screening?
Yeah, sure. It shows blood pressure, glucose, and what else?
Cardiac health, mean arterial pressure, heart rate max, BMI, blood volume, body water, stress levels.
Just with the phone?
Just with smartphone.
So no need for Libre, no need for Whoop, no need for anything?
No need for anything. So this is the same thing that you could do for group if you have demography that we capture. You can do it by yourself. You want to do a demo at any time. So we just capture whether you're male, female, gender.
Just with the photo.
Just with the photo. So these are the one. So is it correct?
No.
35 age.
Age is 45. Basically, it's taking, I think, from internet. On internet, it's showing 35 on some.
No, it's not internet. So this is an approximation. So
Okay.
we ask question the user
Fine.
input it, but for the demo we are putting in.
And the weight is also not correct.
This is anyways an approximation. Then the real scan begins, and the height is 170. So this is the face scan. So you need to, if you want to put the phone down, we can do the screening. There's a camera going to start. This is FDA class 1 with the DHA is approved. In India it is approved. We are working with CE for Europe. Yes, so Europe. Mean arterial pressure, heart utilizations. Then you have a physiological, which is your BMI, blood volume, body water, body fat, and then your stress levels.